Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 7th. Last time we have done question number 7. Today we are starting question number 8. Do you remember your true formulas of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square? Yes. Now we will work on the formulas. These are the given solved formulas and we have to convert them into back in the formula. For example, a square minus 2ab plus b square is given. So you can write that as a minus b whole square. If with the sign is negative with 2, then there will be sign of minus between these two factors. And if here is the sign of plus, then you have to write over here plus. For example, this whole is a square and this whole is b square and this is 2ab, so we can convert it as a minus b whole square. First we will make it as for solution 9x square, we can write it as 3x whole square minus, to write 4y square in the form of square we can write that 2y whole square. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab, what's the value of a? That is 3x, and what's the value on b? That is 2y. So we can write it as 3x square, that is as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will become a minus b whole square. What's the value of a over here? That is 3x minus, what's the value of b over here? That is 2y whole square. So this is simplified as 3x minus 2y whole square. Similarly, you can do the other parts. No, it doesn't matter whether the variables are a's, whether the variables are x and y, but you have to solve in the form of the squares. Here is no b in question number 2, just 4 is given, and 4 will be considered as b and 2 will be the 2 square will be considered as b square. Now come for the question number 9. Use the formula to evaluate. First we will convert it in the formula. This question is one of the given of above question. Here is another type, but we have to solve it after converting, and we have to replace a is equal to 1 by 5. First we will convert it into the formula, then we will replace the value of a as 1 divided by 5. For question number 9 part 1, 25a square minus 10a plus 1 when a is equal to 1 over 5. You can write 25a square as 5a whole square, and you can write this is a square minus 2ab plus b square is given to you. You have to convert it in the formula. This you can write 25 as 5a square as whole square, and then 1 square, any power of 1 leaves it as it is. What doesn't matter that 1 has any power, 1 will remain the same 1. Five a square minus 2ab, this is b square, then you have to write 2ab. There the sign of minus, then same sign will become down over here. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you will convert it in the formula, that is a minus b whole square. What's the value of a? That is 5a. What's the value of b? That is minus 1 whole square. We have solved the question number 1. This question till answer, but the given situation is we have to replace the value of a as 1 over 5. In the place of a, you have to write 1 divided by 5 minus 1. 5 into 1 over 5, 5 will be cancelled by this 5, and 1 will, the numerator will remain over here, 1 minus this 1. 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, 1 minus 1, this will be 0. 0 will remain 0 whatever the part is. Okay, this is the answer after solving. Now come for question number 10. Evaluate with the help of formula. 57 multiply by 57. This is similar with question number 7. Question number 7 and question number 10 are the same one. You can write it as